What's up guys? So today we're going to try and put these steering rack spacers on to get that a bit of extra look. We've come down to Jake's garage, he's square ends away. A few reasons: one, sound guy; two, forgot me tools at uni, so he's going to sort us out there; and three, it's got a car lift, so it's going to make it much easier. So hopefully we won't wrap it around a lamppost when on the way back, because Jake seems to know what he's doing, so we'll learn from him. Ready to go in my overalls. Gonna have some good fun, have a laugh putting them on. We'll see what it looks like before and after. I mean, this is what it looks like at the minute. This is the steering lock we've got. It's not, I mean, as you can see, it's not very much. So we want some more lock so we can get some more violent angles. So hopefully these little things gonna square us away and get some more aggressive steering lock so we can do some more aggressive skids. So let's do it. Nice. I was a bit worried it was going to hit.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the corner.
This is the moment of truth to you, whether we bought a rust bucket or not. Hey guys, so something that I didn't film because it was such a faff was how we got the MX5 up on the car lift. So I'm going to show you using my prop, this toy Porsche. So because the MX5 was too low, we couldn't get the arms under straight away. So we reversed it on, jacked the back of the car up by the diff. You put the rear arms under, lifted the car up a bit more so we could fit some axle stands under, and so we could get the scissor jack and box section under the other side of the car. Load it back down onto the axle stands and the box section and scissors. Then we could get the front arms under, then we could lift the whole car up. And while the car was up, we thought we'd take advantage of the situation and have a see what kind of MX5 we brought. Here's what we found.
Oh, look at the little gearbox. Oh. Yeah, you've been strafing a bit.
Take my eyes open, force reality.
Let's get the torch and see what horrors.
Why can't you just let me my weight and clear?
Cool. Oh, it's nothing, mate. That's silly. Aesthetic. You got a bit of surface rust.
World of make-believe. Kids screaming.
I'm just checking the hole, make sure it's tight enough. Yeah, it's tight.
Some days I feel skinnier than I'm.
Somebody's tried jacket on the body.
Sometimes I can't tell my body belongs to me.
Oh my god. I've got half of Westport Lake in here.
Fire spreading.
This has definitely been in a smash. Nut Nubian centre. Somebody's tried to adjust the cat. Adjust the arms. Oh, it's had new calipers recently. Well, we knew that.
Single one. I mean, I found glass in the driver's seat when I give it a clean. Yeah.
Oh, look at the little drop like.
So, what's your
verdict?
Yeah, I'll
scrap it. I've seen worse. Professional jack out of. Oh, it's still got a cap. You can cut that out. I mean, clean it. Cap clean. Yeah, DPF doctor. Just check this all, it's got nothing blocking it. Try to get a thought now. Can't get it. Yeah, just have it. Yeah. No. Try to get your thumb in. A well placed thumb can buy you some time.
Oh, squirting.
What's the prop shot bar? Oh, you've even got a prop guard. Probably a bit more than I'd like. Fair
lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many.
I mean, on the grand scheme of things, I've seen worse, put it that way.
That's good then.
Look at the flex and the roll bar. That's what you want for drifting. Yeah.
Get a new one.
Oh, look at him. Scraping his eggs. I know, mate, look at this. It's comfortable. It's had a new radiator. Better shield than Fabi. There's your art.
So we whacked it up, and then some me realised that we left them nuts over there. Well,
I think we've got
in the car.
I've got something.
You got something going there?
No worries.
Okay, well, maybe Jake's gonna save the day again. Otherwise, we're gonna have to get the car down.
Ah!
No, yeah.
Hang on. Hang quiet. Hang on. A bunch of treasure. No. Oh, you're kidding. Yeah,
right. Inconvenience. Get it down.
Hang on.
Oh!
Yeah, we're going to forget it.
Oh yeah, no, it's coming down. It's coming down. More convenient. Sorry, Jake.
No.
I can reach it from here now. I can reach it from here. Forgive me, Jake.
Actually.
Steam engine. Like a boss.
Who needs a battery gun?
What have we got?
Well, what can only be described as the remnants of an old trucking bus. Pretty basic. I mean, if you're doing a budget, a budget deal. My idea was budget, but there's a difference between budget and budget. There's a difference between budget and Tesco value, really. And, I mean, it's got loads of rigidity, like structural integrity, it's great. All that thing.
Okay, so we've moved the steering boot. Yeah, correct. Jake said it's correct. And then we've unscrewed the rack end from the steering rack. Yeah, from the rack itself. This is a locking washer. Yeah. That's going to have to come off. We're just going to slide that off. And then the spacer is going to slide on there. And then we're moving this in 5 because we figured it out. It's extending the steering rack 5 mils, so everything here is not changing, but essentially the steering rack is 5 mils longer. That's how we figured that while we reckoned that we're going to go with it. That's so
That's
far.
what we've been told by the internet, so it must be true.
Yeah. Okay, so now we've done 5 mil and the spacer fits in there.
Smoking in the first place.
Maybe so the spacer fits in there, huh? We'll just twist this in. Boom, baby! No, worried because I was thinking I need to put the spacer in, but the spacer goes on this end. So we've run the track rod end in. We've got the spacer on.
Yeah, I can just...
And now it's time to glue stick, prick stick it on with a Loctite, and stick it back in. Hopefully that'll be jobs are good. Thanks to my main man. Yeah, just put some grease in there. There we go. Nice and beautiful. Flush.
Oh, thanks.
Right. Put the boot back on. Wheel back on. This side done. Sorted. Chose the newspaper good, didn't you, while he was working? Some for read, was it, Kurt?
Yeah, that's it, mate. Just so I don't get bored standing here.
Asking if one of our cheap bacon. Boys, did you not want any bacon from that bloke?
Remember that freezer we had there? You ever opened that?
Mate,
We had to tape the door shut so that
nothing would escape. Go like and subscribe. This is Callum Gamer with the MX5.
Bang, bang, won't stop till we're legends.